Bisola, conscience. Conscience.
Wait, did I just hear you say conscience? So, you stand here to tell me about conscience? Yemi, you slept with your best friend's wife. Not once, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, not 5 times, not 10 times, not 20 times, not 30 times. It's over 100 times. And you stand here to tell me about conscience. You have no moral justification to talk about conscience. I have a baby growing inside of me for you. And very soon, only my breast in you. What's or whether be already told me about Donny. Say we one wood to one more that people will show you. You won't go to Benny. No, she won't go to Benny. What for my baby? A young give you for my baby. Oh, so no joy and see. Oh, near your country million here. Oh, my just to Jumilo Abi. See, these things we are in it together. And we see it through together.